Hey everybody, it's a little chilly out. I'm gonna try to make this intro quick. Today's video is gonna be a pasta review video of Mutti pasta sauce. This one is Parmigiano Reggiano pasta sauce, so cheese is already in it. Mutti is a famous Italian tomato company from Parma, Italy. Parma is a beautiful Italian city, and Parma prosciutto you probably heard of. It's a famous prosciutto, probably the most famous prosciutto in the world. So Mutti comes from the same place, Parma. Uh, I used Mutti's pizza sauce before. Here's Mutti's pizza sauce that I used before, and I was very happy with it. My pizza came out great with this sauce. I recommend this sauce. And so today I was at my local grocery store and I found the Mutti pasta sauce, so I can't wait to try it. The lunch is going to be good, and of course I had to pair Italian pasta sauce with spaghetti made in Italy. These are organic spaghetti from Italy, so I can't wait. My lunch is going to be good today. All right, guys, I'll see you in a few minutes. The sauce smells amazing, guys. Amazing. I can't wait to boil this sauce up and make my lunch. I always use low heat when I'm simmering the sauce. That way I can control the temperature and how well I want to simmer my sauce. Sauce is ready. Gonna add the pasta. Beautiful. Spaghetti with Mutti pasta sauce. Show you different angles. Just looks really good. Smells great. Can't wait to try it. Really good. Very excited. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Wow. Really, really good. Really good stuff. All right. I'm trying to get away from the sun, but it's not easy. This is going to be the first bite. Mutti pasta sauce review with organic Italian spaghetti. Smells delicious. Mmm. Oh, wow. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Just like their pizza sauce. I used their pizza sauce before on some of my pizzas. Clean taste. Beautiful. Really good, guys. Really good. So this pasta sauce is gonna be a little lighter. It's more Italian style than American style. So it's gonna be a little lighter on seasonings. It's gonna be a little lighter in texture than a typical American Italian sauce. But all in all, great sauce. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.